Good morning to all. Let's start the class. New chapter, chapter 3 Factors and Multiples. What is a factor? A factor is an exact divisor of a number which completely divides a number and does not leave a remainder that is its remainder is 0. If you get the remainder as 0, then that number is the exact divisor of that number. Okay, and that is called the factor. What is a multiple? A multiple is a number is a multiple of each of its factor. Here you have seen the relationship between factors and multiples. Here you have seen 3 into 4, 3 4 is 12. The number 4 and 3 are the factor of 12, and 12 is the multiple of 4 and 3. Both are interrelated. Now see the properties of factors and multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. You know that every number comes in table of 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is divided by 1. So 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is a multiple of itself. Here you have seen multiple of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Here you have seen 0 is a multiple of every number. If you multiply any number with 0, it always 0. Every number is a factor of 0. Here you have seen 4 and 27 are factor of 0. Every multiple except 0 is either equal to or greater than any of its factor. It means multiples are always greater than or equal to, okay, but not less than. Whereas every factor of a multiple is less than or equal to the given number. Okay. Fifth, the product of two or more factors is the multiple of each factors. I have already explained you. The smallest factor of a number is 1 and the largest factor of a number is the number itself. Okay. It means factors are definite. Okay. Whereas multiples are infinite. It has no limit. Okay, table has no limit, but factor has a limit. Smallest is 1 and the largest is number itself. There is no end of the multiple to a number. I have already explained to you. Here you have seen the table of 4. It goes and goes and goes. It means it's an infinite. Next, prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers, a number has two factors, 1 and number itself is the prime number. Here, suppose 2, 3, 5, 7. Have you seen any other table in which 2 comes? Have you seen any other table in which 3 comes? Any other table in which 5 comes? No, only in table of 5 and in table of 1 these are coming. All these which I have written here. So these are the prime numbers. Okay. Here you have seen this is the prime number. But you know that it is divisible by 2. When it is divisible by 2, then it means it's an even prime number. Okay. It's an even and prime number. It is the only even. Okay. And it is also the smallest because prime number starts from 2, so it's the smallest also. Have you understood? Okay. Now composite number. A composite number has other factors also in addition to 1 and the number itself. It means it's have more than 2 factor. It is just the opposite of prime numbers. Okay, here you have seen 4. 4 comes in table of 1, 2 and 4. Okay, here see 5, sorry 10. It comes in 1, 2, 5 and 10. Have you understood? What you have seen, it has more than 2 factors. Then it is a composite number. When it has 2 factors, number and 1 and number itself, then it is a prime number. Have you understood? And the smallest composite is this 4. It is the smallest composite number because composite number starts from 4. Okay. Now see the method to find a prime numbers from 1 to 100. A Greek Eratosthenes created this method known as the sieve of Eratosthenes. How we have to find? First of all, you have to write 1 to 100. Here you have seen this is the table of Eratosthenes. Okay. How we have to do? Let's see. Here you have seen 1. In the 1 there is a 2 horizontal line. Parallel lines are there. It means 1 is neither prime nor composite. Here you have seen 2. Okay. 2 is a prime, so circle it and cross all the numbers which comes in table of 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20, 2 11 ja 22, 2 12 ja 24. Like this, which comes in a table of 2, you have crossed all that number. Okay, now take the 3. 3 is the prime number because it don't come in any table. Now cut all the numbers which comes in table of 3. 3 2 is 6, it's already cutted. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, it is already cutted. 3 5 is 15. Okay, like this you have to cut by every number. Here you have seen 4 is cutted. Next number is 5. Take the 5 and cross all the numbers which comes in table of 5. Now 6 already cutted, take the 7. Okay, which one is remaining, you have take that and circle it and cross all the numbers which comes in that table. Okay, then you have to, what you have to find, that the encircled numbers are prime numbers and crossed numbers are composite number. Okay, the crossed number are composite number. Here you have seen the list of the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Here you have seen all these are prime numbers. Only even prime number is 2. I have already told to you. Okay, and it is also the smallest prime number. Okay, here you have seen smallest prime number is 2 and smallest composite number is 4. Have you understood how you have to find prime and composite? Very easy. Now see the co-prime numbers. A pair of numbers not having any other common factors other than 1. Here you have seen 15 and 16. The factors are here given and the common are what? 1 is common. Any other common? No. So if common factor is only 1, then it is a co-prime number, otherwise not. Twin primes. A pair of prime numbers differ by 2. It means it is the prime number, and if there is a differ by 2, it means there is a difference between the two, then it is a twin prime. Here you have seen 5 and 7 both are prime numbers, but when you have to minus, you will get 2, then it means it's a twin prime number. You understood? And here in these number have common composite numbers in between. You know that 5 after 5 comes 6, it's a composite number. 11 after the 11, 12, it's a composite number. It means there is one composite number in between these two prime numbers. Okay, have you understood all the prime numbers? Now see the exercise 3.1, question number 1. Which of the following numbers are prime numbers? Very easy. You have to write the which one is prime. 2 is the prime. 12 coming in table of 2. 17 is the prime. Okay. 19 is the prime. 37 is the prime. Which don't come in any table is the prime number. Have you understood? Okay. Here, which are composite number. It means which comes in every table. 5 is coming, 35 is coming in, 5 7 are 35. So it's the composite number. Okay, this is also the composite, this is also composite, this is also composite. Okay, so you have to do the remaining part. Question number 2, write all the prime numbers between. You have to write the prime numbers 60 to 85. You know that 61, it come in any table? 61 not come in any table, so it's the prime. 62 is coming, 63 also coming, 64 also, 65 also, 66 also, 67 not. So you have to write like that, okay, in between 85. Question number 7, which of the following are co-primes? You have to find which one is co-prime. Very simple. First of all, you have to write the factor of the given numbers in which table it comes, and then you have to common. If there is a one only in the common, then it is a co-prime, otherwise not. Okay. Question number 8, which of the following pair of numbers are twin prime? Very simple. Twin prime, it means first of all you have checked it is a prime. Yes, it's a prime, and there is a difference. Its difference is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's the twin prime. Here you have seen 55 is not the prime, it's the composite, so it is not the twin prime. Have you understood how you have to find? So you have to do the homework questions. Thank you, class.